Have you ever thought about setting off on your own, embracing the open road, and discovering the world on your own terms? More and more people are discovering the joys of solo travel. Today, we're going to explore some of the best destinations for solo travelers, places that are safe, welcoming, and brimming with opportunities for personal growth and unforgettable experiences. So, if you're ready to ditch the travel buddy and embrace the freedom of solo travel, grab your backpack, lace up those boots, and let's get started. Now, you might be wondering, why solo travel? Well, let me tell you, there's a certain magic to exploring the world on your own. It's a chance to step outside your comfort zone, push your boundaries, and discover a newfound sense of independence. When you travel solo, you're the master of your own itinerary. Want to linger longer at that museum that piques your interest? Go for it! Feel like indulging in a 3-hour lunch at a charming sidewalk cafe? No need to rush. And let's not forget about the personal growth that comes with solo travel. You'll learn to navigate unfamiliar situations, rely on your instincts, and connect with people from all walks of life. It's a crash course in self-reliance and adaptability, and trust me, the lessons you learn on the road will stay with you long after you return home. But solo travel isn't just about testing your limits. It's also about opening yourself up to new experiences and connections. You'll be amazed at how approachable people are when you're traveling alone. Locals are often eager to share their culture and stories, and fellow travelers become instant companions on shared adventures. When you're on your own, you're more likely to strike up conversations, join group tours, and participate in local activities. So if you're looking for an adventure that will challenge you, inspire you, and connect you with the world in a whole new way, solo travel might just be the ticket. Now, let's dive into some specific destinations that are tailor-made for solo travelers, starting with some of the most vibrant and welcoming cities in the world. These urban jungles offer a blend of culture, excitement, and solo-friendly vibes. First up is Tokyo, Japan, a city that seamlessly blends ancient traditions with futuristic innovation. Imagine wandering through serene temples and gardens one minute and then finding yourself amidst a dazzling display of neon lights and towering skyscrapers the next. Tokyo has it all. And the best part? Tokyo is incredibly safe and easy to navigate, even for solo travelers. The public transportation system is top-notch, and the locals are known for their politeness and helpfulness. Plus, there are countless solo dining options, from cozy ramen shops to Michelin-starred sushi counters. Next, we hop over to Europe, where Prague, Czech Republic, awaits with its fairy tale charm. This enchanting city is a feast for the eyes, with its cobblestone streets, medieval bridges, and stunning architecture. And the best part? Prague is incredibly walkable, so you can easily explore its nooks and crannies at your own pace. Be sure to wander through Old Town Square, where you can admire the iconic astronomical clock and soak up the lively atmosphere. For a taste of Mediterranean life, Barcelona, Spain is calling your name. This vibrant city has it all: stunning beaches, world-class architecture, and a laid-back atmosphere that's perfect for solo exploration. Stroll down Las Ramblas, a bustling tree-lined boulevard brimming with street performers, flower stalls, and cafes. And of course, no trip to Barcelona is complete without marveling at the Sagrada Familia, Antoni Gaudi's masterpiece. Now, if you're more of a nature enthusiast, don't worry. There are plenty of destinations where you can escape the city buzz and reconnect with the great outdoors. From towering mountains to pristine beaches, these solo-friendly nature escapes offer a chance to breathe in the fresh air and find your own rhythm. Let's start with New Zealand, a country renowned for its breathtaking landscapes and adrenaline-pumping adventures. Picture yourself hiking through lush forests, kayaking in crystal-clear fjords, or bungee jumping off bridges. New Zealand is a playground for outdoor enthusiasts. For a more laid-back nature experience, head to Banff National Park in Canada. This iconic park is home to snow-capped peaks, turquoise lakes, and abundant wildlife. Spend your days hiking to scenic viewpoints, canoeing on Lake Louise, or simply soaking up the tranquility of the Canadian Rockies. If you're looking for a tropical escape, Costa Rica should be on your radar. This biodiversity hotspot is teeming with rainforests, volcanoes, and pristine beaches. Remember, when embarking on solo adventures in nature, it's crucial to prioritize safety. For those seeking a deeper cultural immersion, solo travel offers the perfect opportunity to delve into the heart and soul of a destination. These culturally rich destinations will captivate your senses, challenge your perspectives, and leave you with a newfound appreciation for the diversity of our world. Let's start in Marrakech, Morocco, a city that feels like stepping into a storybook. Lose yourself in the labyrinthine alleys of the Medina, where you'll find bustling souks overflowing with spices, textiles, and handicrafts. Be sure to haggle for souvenirs and savor the flavors of Moroccan cuisine, from fragrant tagines to sweet mint tea. Next, we journey to Jaipur, India, the Pink City, known for its stunning architecture and vibrant culture. Explore the majestic Amber Fort, marvel at the intricate details of the Hawa Mahal, and immerse yourself in the colorful chaos of Jaipur's bazaars. For a more tranquil cultural experience, head to Kyoto, Japan, the country's spiritual heart. Visit ancient temples, stroll through serene Zen gardens, and witness the elegance of a traditional tea ceremony. Remember, when traveling solo in culturally diverse destinations, it's essential to approach each encounter with respect and an open mind. Sometimes all you need is a little sand between your toes and the sound of waves crashing to feel completely at ease. And what better way to escape the hustle and bustle than with a solo beach getaway? These idyllic destinations offer the perfect blend of relaxation, natural beauty, and solo-friendly vibes. Let's start in Koh Lanta, Thailand, a hidden gem that's often overlooked for its more popular neighbors. This laid-back island boasts pristine beaches, crystal-clear waters, and a relaxed atmosphere that's perfect for unwinding. Spend your days swimming, sunbathing, or exploring the island's lush interior by scooter. For a taste of paradise, Bora Bora in French Polynesia is calling your name. This iconic island is renowned for its overwater bungalows, turquoise lagoons, and luxurious resorts. Indulge in world-class snorkeling, diving, or simply relax on the beach and soak up the breathtaking views. If you're looking for a beach destination with a touch of European charm, Porto, Portugal is a hidden gem. So, there you have it. A glimpse into the world of solo travel and the amazing destinations that await. From bustling cities to serene nature escapes and culturally rich gems, there's a solo adventure out there for every taste and budget. Step outside your comfort zone, connect with locals and fellow travelers, and create memories that will last a lifetime. And tell me, where are you planning your next solo adventure? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.